he's in his nice clothes, and we're about to be working on a Ford.
Not a chance. I'm going to be gone for a little bit.
Oh, okay.
These good clothes ain't cheap.
That's it. He's about to get cleaned up. All
I
right.
just got off from a trip fresh.
That's it. All right, so we're going to be LS swapping this deal. We got a lot of stuff we're going to be doing to it. So what, LS3 is what's going in? LS3 ProCharged. Putting a D1 ProCharger in it. And this thing is going to be pretty nice. So another LS swap in the shop. These things are hot right now, Jesse.
Oh, man.
They're hot. The LS is the thing. All right, so let's hammer down. Let's get into it. 1975 Ford, is this a 250? Ford F250. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's have some fun. All right, guys, so we're hammered down to get this front end off this deal. We're going to just kind of attack this thing. First things first, there's a lot of stuff that's just wore out or broke that's on the front of this thing. We're getting the brake booster off. We're going to be putting all new brakes, all new brake booster, all new brake lines, disc brakes all the way around on this thing. So we need to get rid of things and get things cleaned up here. We're also getting the transmission out that's still in the truck. It's still got the old, the clutch is out, but the transmission is still in it. So we got it out. Me and Jesse mangled this big heavy thing out there. And we also need to get the transfer case out as well. Speaking of transmissions, we are going to be putting a Turbo 400 in this thing from TSR Racing products. Oh yeah, those are the guys that built the transmission that's in my GTO. Dang good transmissions. So we're also going to be pairing this thing up with a gear vendor's overdrive. And you guys can see me here. I'm getting the O-ring lubed up from our good friends over at Permatex, using some of their O-ring lubricant. That stuff works fantastic, by the way. So we're getting this gear vendors put together. If you're not sure what a gear vendors is, this adds an overdrive to your transmission. And it can do some other little fancy things as well, like splitting gears and things like that. So if you're wanting to drive these hot rods on the road and on the interstate, these overdrives are really, really handy for that. Helps with fuel mileage, helps with RPMs. That way you're not running around at like 3,000 or 3,500 and you're only doing 55 mile an hour type of deal. So pretty handy dandy little things there. Son, what are you even doing down in there right now?
Getting the crevices, man, best I can anyways.
Now listen, just cause a couple of Fords has come in the shop don't mean you get all intimate with them, okay? Now listen.
Well, it has to run good if a Chevrolet man been in it.
There you go. And it's about to get a Chevrolet heartbeat.
Yeah, know? Exactly. This old Ford's going the right way.
That's it, boys. That's it. All right, so Jesse has been giving this thing full send.
Full send, best I can anyway.
Getting it cleaned up best he can with wire wheels. They even make a wire wheel for this Eastwood deal. God, that's a gnarly looking deal right there. Yep. So he's been hitting it with that, been hitting it with the drill, been hitting it with everything, man.
Everything but the kitchen sink is about it.
Well, we gave it the kitchen sink. We gave it that easy off stuff on there.
Yeah, we did.
So he's been cleaning up, getting it ready. This area here, we're going to have to do some surgery on it and stuff and cut it out and all that. So he's just metal prepping and getting things cleaned up for me. But Jesse, it's looking good, man. I'll leave you at it, okay?
That'll work, man.
All right, guys, so I wanted to show y'all the LS3. It's going to be going in this thing and to kind of give y'all a sneak peek of what's going to be happening in the upcoming episode of this thing. So this is a LS3 out of a Corvette. This is a Holley intake that's on it. It's got Chevrolet valve covers on it, stainless headers, and it's got a D1 ProCharger on it. So it should be a peppy little piece there. It should run pretty good, and we are going to be putting a water-to-air intercooler and stuff on that intake and stuff as well. So that's coming as well. So cool little piece, Turbo 400 there, and it's got a gear vendor's overdrive on it. So yeah, guys, this thing is going to be a sweet little truck. Jesse's been doing a fantastic job of getting the frame ready. We're going to be putting a new steering box in this thing. This truck is a 75, and from what I understand, we are going to be putting a 79 steering box in it, and you guys will get to see videos on that as well, what all that takes, and the reason why we're going to be putting a different front end in it as well. It's going to stay four-wheel drive, but we're getting different front axles and all that good stuff. So cool little project, and you guys stay tuned. We got a lot more coming, and this was just the intro video of what all we got to come on this 75 F250 LS3 swap. Y'all sit back and enjoy.